This wheel and tire kit is a perfect setup for the 2015 to 2023 Mustang owner who wants some additional clean, classic type of style with additional grip for a great price. This kit provides you an excellent balance of affordability and performance, making it a really good choice for a daily driven car. Now in this kit, you will receive a set of 4 wheels and tires featuring the 20 by 8.5 inch AMR wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35R20 Lionhart LH-FIVE tires. Free mounting and balancing is included with your purchase as well. Now this is a square setup, meaning that you have 4 of the same size wheels and tires. That means you can rotate these to help extend tire life. This combination will give you plenty of grip as well with the performance-oriented features of the Lionhart LH-FIVEs. So you get good tread life, a cool look, and excellent performance, all for one of the best prices in the segment. Now there's quite a bit we got to cover here, but let's start, of course, with the wheels. Now these AMRs feature a thin split spoke design that is pretty clean and classic. It's a really good match style-wise for the S550, and this set in particular is of course finished off with this nice gunmetal gray finish. It's a welcome departure from regular silver or even black wheels, and it's going to look great against any paint color. Plus it adds a nice little aggressive accent to your build. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right. And these again bring that clean classic look to the S550, which I think these cars really pull off very well. Where these in particular set themselves apart from the OE option wheels is in the sizing. Now these are going to be 20-inch diameter wheels, so they're quite a bit bigger than what you usually get from the factory. Now these are 20 inches in diameter, so they're a little bit bigger than what you get from the factory. And in this kit, you get 4 wheels that are all the same diameter and also the same 8.5 inch width, plus the same 30mm offset. That again means you have a square setup, so you can rotate these around the car to help improve tire life. Now this kit will also fit on your car even if you have it lowered up to 2 inches, and you're not going to have any rubbing or clearance issues, which will also help extend the life of your tires. Speaking of tires, this kit features a set of 255/35 ZR20 Lionhart LH-FIVEs. And I keep saying it, but I think these are possibly the best kept secret on the market because they are really a performance bargain. These are an ultra high performance all season tire, meaning that they can serve as your only set of tires on a Mustang that is driven all year long. Plus, they still have all the hallmarks of a solid performance tire. Look at the treads and you'll notice large circumferential grooves all the way around and deep sipes in the tread blocks to help dispel water, debris, and snow. That means that they're going to be plenty capable in adverse weather conditions. But they also feature an asymmetric tread pattern with large outer shoulder blocks and a wide central rib to give you plenty of grip in the dry. The LH-FIVEs also feature an advanced heat-resistant silica compound, and you'll find a reinforced sidewall here for enhanced grip and responsiveness. So these can easily take you from your daily commute to the track, and they'll be plenty capable in either scenario. Now, I say that with the caveat that, as always, these are an M+S all-season tire, so there is going to be a compromise between performance, longevity, and wet grip. Now, the compound here of the LH-FIVEs is going to be a little bit softer than traditional all-seasons, which gives you the grip in the dry, and that is backed up by the A traction and temperature rating and also the 320 treadwear rating. So what that means is don't expect these to push through a lot of heavy ice and snow really well like you would expect with a winter tire, and also don't expect them to last a full 60,000 miles, especially if you're working them hard. However, what you do get is going to be a good amount of dry grip, a good amount of wet grip, and these will still get you through a snowstorm and get you out of some sticky situations. But if you're living up in the mountains and you're driving your Mustang every day, think about getting a dedicated set of winter tires as well. But if you want something that's really going to be very well rounded and get you around, get you to the track, get you to work and back, and do a lot for not a lot of money, the LH-FIVEs are a great choice here. And the performance really is no joke, and it can't be overstated here. The LH-FIVEs carry a W speed rating, meaning that they are rated for up to 168 miles per hour, which really should be plenty. This kit also includes free mounting and balancing, and you can either have your kit mounted and balanced by us, we will then ship it to you completed and ready to mount on your car, or we'll ship you everything separately, and then we will set you up with an appointment at a local shop where they will mount and balance your kit free of charge. When you make your purchase, you can also choose to have the correct TPMS sensors included for an additional charge. However, free installation of those is included with your purchase. The wheels here are cast aluminum, meaning that they are all one piece and thus pretty strong. Now, aluminum is widely used for automotive wheels because it's lightweight and it's also very strong. So you don't have super heavy wheels slowing you down, and you don't have to worry about hitting a pothole. Now this set in particular does feature that gunmetal gray powder coating over top for additional good looks and some more protection against corrosion. So as I always say, Treat these well, keep them clean, make sure the finish stays nice, and they should last you a good long while. As for the LH-5s, well, we talked about most of that stuff already. They feature that all-season rated compound with the A traction and temperature rating and the 320 tread wear rating, in addition to the reinforced sidewalls, those deep sipes, large center rib, the wide outer tread blocks, asymmetric design for enhanced grip, stability, and wet weather performance as well. You'll also find an XL load rating on these too, and that heat-resistant silica compound. Plus, they come with a 30,000-mile tread wear warranty. So that means that the LH-5s are strong and they can maintain their performance even if you're pushing them hard. Now when it comes to the price, like I mentioned at the top of the video, this kit falls very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum, and it is one of the most affordable kits that we offer for the S550. So if you're after some additional performance and you want some clean, classic good looks with a larger wheel, well, this is going to be a great kit for you, and it's actually going to be a perfect choice for you if you're daily driving your Mustang. Installation will get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should only take you about 30 minutes to complete. Now you'll need a couple things, such as a floor jack, the proper socket for your impact gun or breaker bar, your wheel lock key if your car is equipped with wheel locks, and of course, a torque wrench. It's a simple job as you'd expect. These are designed to bolt right onto your car with no modifications necessary. So if you can change a tire, you can absolutely do this at home in your driveway. Well, that's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of this wheel and tire kit featuring the AMR wheels and Lionhart LH-FIVE all-season tires. These are 20x8.5 inch wheels with a 30mm offset and a 255/35 R20 size tire. And this kit is designed to fit all 2015 to 2023 Mustangs. Thank you so much for watching, and for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.